Hi. I just. Hi, my name is Samantha. Um, I'm sad normally because I don't have a pee. Anyways, me and Taylor was kind of whipping up bird poop and litter because you guys can purchase peaches, whatever kind of bird you call those things. And that thing bit my finger. And I was thinking, I was so upset I could do it. They said, chirp, 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 chirp. And then I said some pretty harsh things. I got that bird out. And Taylor walked in and she slapped me in my face and said, don't you ever cuss my bird out again. I said, okay, I promise I won't. That thing said chirp, chirp, chirp. And I said, you stupid bird. Well, I'm not going to repeat the answer because that's not allowed on public videos for little kids. And what? And guess what I said? I said, I'm that bird across the room when he said perch, perch, perch. And Taylor punched me in my face. As you can see, my nose is swollen out here. It's swollen. It's swollen up there. No, it's swollen. It's swollen. It's swollen. What? And then my daddy walked in and he said,
son, don't you ever do that again. And then, I hope you know you can't change that mine's already on the voice.
And then he said,
If you do, I will slap you in your face so hard into next week and I'll punch you in your face.
and that makes me realize that you don't care. And it also makes me realize that I gotta go. Bye.